You sit down to work, but your mind spins, your to-do list overwhelms you, and nothing feels clear or doable. This tapping practice is for those moments when procrastination can take over, and it's not from laziness, it's from nervous system overload. So we'll meet that stuck, scattered feeling with gentle awareness and begin to release it through a body-based EFT practice. And if you find that this short practice helps you, but you want deeper support, use my free somatic starter kit. I'll link it in the description. It's a video series where I guide you through tools that you can use in tougher moments and you can use for daily use for deeper rewiring. So let's begin by tapping through the points. Take this as a way to begin to ground into your body, into the moment. If you're new to the EFT points, you can take this as your introduction. And if you aren't new, let your eyes close and begin to ground in. So we'll start by tapping the outside of the hands against each other. And as you're doing this, feeling your weight settle into gravity. And now we'll tap the inside of the eyebrows with the index and middle fingers, feeling the forehead relax, the eyebrows relax, even the neck beginning to relax. And then tapping the outside of the eye. So the bones just to the outside of the eye. And you can tap one side or both sides of the body. It's up to you. The acupoints run through both sides of the body. And now tapping on the bones underneath the eyes. Feeling the cheeks relax, the temples relax, the scalp relax, the eyes soften. And tapping under the nose. Your breath grounding into your belly. And tapping in the divot of the chin. And tapping just underneath the collarbones. Feeling the shoulders relax away from the ears, the muscles through the back, the chest relax. And then tapping under the arm or under both arms. On the side ribs, about 4 to 5 inches underneath the armpit. And finishing by tapping the top of the head. And feeling how your head can lift up to meet your hand. So you feel length come into your spine, ease come through the neck, into the base of the skull. Now relax your arms down and let's get into the practice. First, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate the intensity of overwhelm, procrastination, or lack of clarity you feel right now. Now let that rest, and you can simply follow along and repeat after me. If you forget the tapping points, use the diagram on the screen. So beginning by tapping the outside of the hands against each other, even though I can feel scattered and unable to focus, I love and accept myself no matter how I feel. Even though I can feel overwhelmed by my to-do list, and I may procrastinate instead, I'm willing to soften and be gentle with myself. And I love and accept myself no matter what. Tapping the eyebrow, even though I can't focus sometimes. Tapping the side of the eye, and I can feel scattered and heavy. Under the eye, like my mind won't stop spinning. under the nose, and I don't even know where to begin. Tapping the chin, I'm open to meeting this moment with care. Tapping under the collarbone, my breath may be shallow. My chest might feel tight. Tapping under the arm, I feel the fogginess. I'm letting myself name it. Tapping the top of the head, and I'm still okay. Eyebrow, this isn't just mental. It's in my body. Side of the eye, this might be overwhelm. Under the eye, it might be fear that I'll mess up. Under the nose, maybe I'm protecting myself. Chin, I honor how my nervous system is trying to help. Collarbone, I let my shoulders drop a little. Under the arm, I give my body space to feel safe again. Top of the head, I'm not wrong for feeling this way. Eyebrow, I'm not broken. I might just be overstimulated. Side of the eye, and I'm allowed to slowly come back into focus. Under the eye, I choose one next step, even if it's small. Under the nose, I let in a little bit of clarity. Chin, I breathe into my belly. Collarbone, I soften behind my eyes. Under the arm, I might even trust that clarity will return. Top of the head, and I'm grateful to myself. I'm grateful that I'm giving myself this moment of reset. Let your arms rest down and check in with your body right now, your breath, your thoughts, your sense of focus, and returning to that scale of 1 to 10. Rate the intensity of overwhelm, procrastination, or lack of clarity you feel now. You can repeat this practice again as many times as you need to bring that intensity down. I'll timestamp the beginning of the practice for you for easy use. And let me know in the comments what this practice helped you shift or what came up for you in the practice. Your insights might resonate with someone else who's been struggling with this as well. And if you're ready for deeper support with overwhelm, focus, or creative clarity, you can find details about working with me one-on-one on my website. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks so much for being here and taking this time to practice. I'll see you in the next one.